Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So thanks for joining me tonight on my Tuesday Facebook Live. And tonight I want to talk about the retirement reset and creating a home that reflects your next chapter. So retirement is really an exciting milestone in our lives, one that you've worked hard for, you've planned for, and you've saved for many years. And as you step into that next phase of your life, it's essential to design a home that not only provides the safety and the comfort that you need, but also reflects your values, your lifestyle that you envision for your future. So as an interior designer for over 40 years, I've had the privilege of working with hundreds of baby boomers around the country to create homes that truly support their retirement dreams. And as a baby boomer myself, I understand the unique wants, needs, and lifestyle preferences that come with this transition. So it's always about designing with your values in mind. One of the crucial aspects of planning and retirement is understanding what you truly value. It's always been one of my favorite parts. So as Huckleberry Finn once said, you never really understand a person until you consider their point of view, until you climb into their skin and actually walk around in it. So I felt blessed for many years to be able to do this. So this has always been one of my favorite parts of the design process, because once you uncover what matters most to you, your home can be tailored to support and enhance those values. So I just want to share a few real life examples with you. So we'll call this client number one. It's about family and connection. So this particular client wanted to move closer to their family, to watch, their grandchildren grow up and to host large family gatherings. And their values centered around connecting and shared experiences. And so for their home, what we focused on was an open concept layout for seamless entertaining, a spacious kitchen with a large island for gathering, ample dining and seating for those large family meals, and then also universal design features for accessibility and safety, regardless of your age. A second client, there were more travelers and more of an urban lifestyle. So this particular couple had no children or grandchildren, and they loved the fast pace of urban living. And they wanted a sleek, highly functional space within walking distance of the restaurants and theaters, with the flexibility to lock and leave and travel on a whim. So their home, contrasting to the first one, the design prioritized a compact, very efficient floor plan with multifunctional furniture, also minimal maintenance for easy travel, and then smart home features for security and also for convenience, and then a prime city location near cultural and dining hotspots. And then last but not least, the third client, just to give you the comparisons, this one wanted to age in place. So for this client, home was more than just a place. It was actually their legacy. So they wanted to stay in the home that they raised their children in and modify it for aging in place. So their renovation included wider doorways, hallways, barrier-free entries, a first floor primary suite with accessible features, and then walk-in showers with no threshold, higher vanities and grab bars, obviously, and then higher toilets. So enhanced lighting was also part of this, and smart home automation for ease of use. So these are just a few examples that illustrate the important truth that your retirement home should be a reflection of your personal values. So choosing the right home for your future. So before committing to a new home, take a couple of these things into consideration. What matters most to you? Family, travel, hobbies, nature, community. I mean, all of those are important, but if you were to prioritize what matters most to you and maybe put them in order, and where do you want to live? City, suburbs, beach, mountain, countryside, and then what type of home suits your lifestyle. So is it a single family, a condo, a townhouse, the adult active community, Or do you want to just be a nomad? So a couple of the key features for retirement-friendly homes, there's a list that I've created for lifestyle preferences and amenities that many baby boomers prioritize when they're planning their retirement home. The first grouping is functional and flexible design. So an open floor plan that's better for better flow and also for spaciousness and the look of spaciousness. And then a kitchen with an island or a peninsula for dining and entertaining, more casual. And then casual dining areas, casual seating for comfort. And then multifunctional furniture is really critical because it expands and contracts as needed. And then designated zones for different activities, so work, hobby, relaxation. And then one level living for ease of mobility, and then adaptable guest spaces for visiting family and friends. And then the next section, and this is so important to those people that are retiring, baby boomers, storage and maintenance. So ample, accessible storage, low maintenance, materials and finishes, walk-in closets, a well-organized laundry area, and then built-in cabinetry for streamlined organization. And then a third category is accessibility and safety. So as we age, it's important to consider, and you could build it in. You don't have to be older and retiring to do this, but universal design, which accommodates just about everyone. And then walk-in showers, grab bars, higher vanities, comfort height toilets, barrier-free entrances and hallways, smart home devices for security and convenience, and then just overall good lighting and ventilation for safety and also for comfort. And then the last category is wellness and lifestyle. So a lot of people want a dedicated fitness area, a flexible hobby or creative space, a library or cozy reading area, and then outdoor living spaces, highly critical right now. And then for a patio, deck, or a garden integrated. And in that wellness category is also his or her home offices, his or her own bedrooms, one of the trends right now, smart appliances for efficiency and quiet soundproof areas for relaxation and privacy with sliding doors, pocket doors, barn doors. And then also for future-proofing your home, the voice-controlled systems for lighting and temperature control, soundproofing features for privacy, an elevator if it's a multi-level area, and then garage for storage and basement or attic for additional storage. So those are some of the things that baby boomers are looking for to create lifestyle when in their retirement. And your retirement home should be more than just a place to live. It should be a space that enhances the quality of your life and aligns with your values and supports your dreams for the future. So whether you're downsizing, relocating, or remodeling, take the time to thoughtfully plan out your space so that it serves you well in this new and exciting chapter. So what features would make your dream retirement home perfect for you? I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to know more, just go to my website, Rita Wilkins at ritawilkins.com. All right, take care.